In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay contracts with direct deposit on QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to double check so payments land in the right bank account without delays. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and signing in to your company. Once the dashboard loads, look at the left navigation. Click Expenses. Depending on your layout, you might see it under a section like Get Things Done or Bookkeeping. From there, choose Contract to access your contract records tied to contractors you pay. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you need. Next, select the specific contract you want to pay. Take a second to confirm you've opened the correct record by reviewing details like the contractor name and any identifying information associated with the contract. This quick check helps you avoid sending money to the wrong person. Inside the contract profile, open the Payments section. This is where you manage how funds are sent and can view payment-related settings and history. If you're switching from checks or another method, this is the place to make that change for a smoother, faster payout. In the Payment Method area, choose Direct Deposit. If you already use Direct Deposit, you'll see it as an option. If this is your first time paying this contractor by direct deposit, make sure their bank details are already on file and verified in QuickBooks. You'll also want to confirm that you have the right permissions to run contractor payments and that your own business funding account is connected and active. These checks aren't extra steps. They're simply the pieces that make direct deposit work reliably once you select it. After selecting direct deposit, review the on-screen prompts. QuickBooks may display a confirmation or highlight anything that still needs attention. If you have multiple business bank accounts connected, verify the correct funding account is selected to avoid routing delays. From here, continue with your usual payment process for that contract as you normally would in QuickBooks. A few helpful reminders as you wrap up. Allow for standard direct deposit processing times, especially if this is the first time paying a contractor via direct deposit. Keep an eye on any cutoff times posted in your QuickBooks account since payments approved after the cutoff will process on the next business day. And if something doesn't look right, pause and review the contract profile details before proceeding. That's it. You've opened QuickBooks, gone to Expenses, chosen your contract, opened Payments, and set the method to direct deposit. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay sections as you follow along.